So good morning, traders. Today is the 2nd January, and I will share my first trade here. So today I took a first trade in Nifty. Whenever it tests this level, I long in Nifty. Okay, so here it is my order book. On 9:15 I buy, and 9:16 just I did quick scalp and book a 10 point. Then again when it get put back, so on 9 at 9:19 I re-entry in same strike. Then it is going further down, so I average out with one lot, and at 9:15.5 I close all my position. So today is a very interesting and learning video. How? See, this is my premium chart. I buy, we get one 10 point scalp, then it is pullback. I again re-entry, average out. Almost my stop loss going to hit. Then it is reverse. Here I have 13 point, 30 point in my favor, almost 12,000 ka profit. Then it is again going to break even, and then again when two spike I get a good I expecting 14 point, and I don't know how much I book 186. So 186 almost 50 point I book, and oh yes, in first trade I have 2000 ka profit, and in second trade combined my profit is 18,855. So good profit I made. I have 52,000 ka capital in it. So this is my Nifty position. I will explain where I make exit in first trade. Whenever it is getting pullback, same level it is test, and here we have moving average ka support, so I buy. Then it is go further down, so I average out previous days swing and close. Whenever it is taking bounce, so I long. Just 1 minute. Okay, so I am back, and here just I average out when it is bounce again in then go to test this level again. Meanwhile I draw this trend line, and just after it is going to break this Marubozu bullish candle, so I have little bit confidence to hold this trade. Meanwhile this moving average also in our support, it give one good blast, then pullback consolidation about this previous swing. Matlab today's swing high, it is breakout retest, and then again go. Now here it is almost this 200 day moving average and previous rejection candle, which are last day high. It is maybe create hurdle for us, and it formed like a M time formation, and almost a 30 point profit to break even. Now again I am holding this trade to for a while, and after that we get reward in just 2 candles. Almost our profit done here. I expecting 50 points move, and maybe see this range is our support and resistance, so almost test this level, but I am not confident to hold this much. I just want to have this. Maybe it is going at least this and the previous this 50% of next pivot. So I am book this trade here, and that's it. See you tomorrow.